Hello friends, today I am going to do a puppet show on the story The Milk Maid and the Pail. Once there was a milkmaid named Patty. She milked the cow and carried the 2 pails of milk she fetched on a stick and set out to sell the milk at the market. As she took steps towards the market, her thoughts took steps towards wealth. She began to daydream about what she would do from the money she would make from selling the milk. She thought of buying a hen and selling its egg, and she planned on becoming wealthy. She dreamt of buying a cake, a basket of strawberries, a fancy dress, and even a new house with the money she would make from selling the eggs and the milk. But suddenly she tripped and fell. Both the pails of milk fell, and her dreams were shattered. And all Patty could do was cry. No more dreams, she cried foolishly. Moral of the story: do not count your chicken before they are hatched. Thank you.